Hey guys, this is Reagan, your local wheeler here at Wheeler Dealer in beautiful Boise, Idaho. Just wanted to show our new consignment that we had for today. It's a 1993 GMC StarCraft 2500. This is a veranda, so it's got a powerful V8 in it. It's got a 5.7. You had a couple things done on it, as you can see, and there's a solar system in the inside too, which is really nice. 4,000 watt. So definitely something that could be considered a full-time van if you need it. It's got everything you need, and we'll go over the interior as well. Take a look at the condition here. Right now we're just going to go over cosmetic stuff as best we can. We get in a lot of people that come in from out of town or that get transport, so it's always just easier to be transparent. So if we can go over all the little scratches and things as best we can. So we'll start off from the very beginning here. Got a couple dings here and there. You'll see the staining that comes out through here. Looks like this was redone, resealed. Little cosmetic things, but overall looks good. Tread on the tires look good. Rims look good. Couple of scratches in the back here. Spare tire. Ladder looks to be in good shape. The aluminum looks good. It's not rusted out or anything. Body looks good on this side. There's a couple of imperfections along the wheel well here, but overall looks really good. Again, no real rust on this thing. That's typically what we see on these types of vans. At the age that it is some rust, but we'll go over the frame and stuff like that too. See a scratch on the body here. Couple of dings. Overall in good shape. It's got 187,400 miles roughly on it. Condition of the grille looks good. Headlights look good. When I was driving it, I noticed the suspension and steering felt pretty good. Pretty easy to drive. I was pleasantly surprised. Easy to park. Take a look at the inside here. Door squeaks. A couple of scratches in the door, but overall looks good. Carpet looks like that. Seats were really comfortable. Did like the seats. Other chairs in good condition, as you can see. It's got the StarCraft emblem on there. Just a couple rugs put down. There's a couple stains underneath the rugs. Take a look at the dash here. Dash looks good. Don't see any cracks. Windshield looks great. Bed in the back there, as you can see. Now the bed folds electronically, which is pretty cool. and everything works in that aspect. As you can see, there's bigger speakers back there too. Pretty nice to have. Again, this would be a great full-time van for sure. We've got lighting that he's put in himself here, some switches. Another thing is this got electronic brakes, which is really nice. New cooling system was put in. Transmission seal was replaced. These are battery operated lights. There's a charger in the back. The heat works great in this thing. I guess the AC does not work. So just something you can recharge, but just keep it in mind. There's the system right there. Solar panels. It's got an aftermarket radio. It works really well. YouTube won't let me play the music from it, so can't turn it on, but everything works as it should. Some storage. We'll go test out the back and get a tour of the back here real quick. Checking out the inside here. The door squeaks just a little bit, as to be expected with a van of this age, but overall it's in good condition. The little chest here that he's left in, microwave, carpet, looks like this. Curtains look to be in nice shape. They look to be like the original. Headliner looks really good too. Something to notate here. Not a lot of sagging. It's original as well. We're asking $4,995 for this one. And I do offer financing. I can help with transport as well. We'll get a virtual start up here of the van and get her going. All right, we're gonna get a quick start up here of the 1992 or 93, excuse me, GMC Veranda. Starts right up. It sounds really good. Don't hear any belts or anything like that. It's got an easy access area called the doghouse inside. For those of you that had one before, they're really convenient for sure, and I'll show that. But everything looks to be in great shape. Batteries look new. Sounds fairly quiet, especially for something this size. Yeah, it looks great. I'm going to put in the description below there all of the maintenance history and things like that down below that it's had done. There is some little bit of recent work that's been done. Sounds great. frame looks great. You can check this pretty cool van out. We're at 10250 West Fairview Avenue in Boise, Idaho. Again, it's 1993. It's got 187,000 miles on it, but we're only asking $4,995. Super easy to drive, like I said. It's got solar panels. You could probably live in this thing. Get into those really cool camping areas too. My name is Reagan. Can finance this for you. We do all kinds of stuff, transport, anything we can do to get the deal done. You can ask for me. Again, my name is Reagan. Thanks, guys.